Hello, Happy New Year, everyone. My name is Sharon Bond. I'm the owner of Dummy Mass Dance, a studio located at Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's Bachata tutorial video, we will go over a Bachata shine step that I learned when I first started learning how to dance. And I don't have a name for it, but we'll learn it anyway. So this is a really fun shine step that I learned when I just first started dancing. And I will be doing the lead timing. So I'm going to turn around first because I think it's easier to follow that way. So I'm stepping with my left first. So when we start off this step, we start like a regular side-to-side basic. So we start off to the left. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4. Now we're going to go forward, starting with our right, and then tapping with our left on the beats in between, which I call the ands. So it's a contratempo step moving forward. So 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So you see as I step behind with my left that I keep on the ball of my foot, and so my heel is off the ground at all times. Now I'm going to tap twice. So I'm going to tap back on the regular counts. So 1, 2, now step back, 3, tap, 4. Now I'm going to go to the right. 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. Now I'm going to go forward with my left in front and tapping with my right behind. So it's going to be starting on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, step back, 7, tap, 8. So let's repeat that. So starting to the side, so you can see I form like a kind of a U shape with this shine step. So 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, forward, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, step, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. So let's do it from the side so you can see it from this angle. So starting with my left, 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, step, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. Now from this direction, so this is my left, so it's going to look like your right, but I'll just do it in this direction. 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, tap, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. So pretty simple step, pretty fun to use. So let's put those moves to music. Bachata Shine Step. For more information on the classes that we offer, please visit our website at demimasdance.ca, and please check us out on Facebook at Demimas Dance Studio and on Instagram at Demimas Dance. Thanks for watching.